Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, uh, we will talk about Whiplash 2014. I will tell you what the movie is about, what I liked and what I did not like in this movie, and if it is worth watching. We will also look at the acting, story, and the best parts of this movie. This review has no spoilers, so let's start, guys. Whiplash follows a young and ambitious drummer Andrew Nyman, who dreams of becoming one of the greatest musicians in the world. He joins one of the top music conservatories and falls under the guidance of Terence Fletcher, a music teacher known for his extreme teaching style. Fletcher is strict, unpredictable, and mentally brutal. He pushes Andrew beyond his limits physically, emotionally, and psychologically. The film is not just about music, it is about ambition, sacrifice, obsession, and the painful journey of greatness. The story explores one question deeply: how far should someone go to become the best? Now we are talking about what I liked in this movie. Intensity like a thriller. This movie feels less like a music drama and more like a psychological thriller. Every time Fletcher enters the scene, the tension shoots up. You almost feel the pressure that Andrew is experiencing. And the brilliant performances, J.K. Simmons is absolutely terrifying and powerful. His performance won an Oscar and right so. Miles Teller plays Andrew with complete dedication. His drumming, emotional breakdowns, and determination feel real. Their chemistry, or rather their conflict, drives the entire movie. Realistic and raw music journey. And the movie does not romanticize passion, it shows the ugly side of ambition. Sleepless nights, bleeding hands, emotional breakdowns, and complete obsession. Incredible editing and music. The drum sequences are cut with lightning speed. You can feel every beat, every mistake, every rise in tension. So, even if you are not a jazz lover, you will still feel the music deep inside. So, now we talk about strong themes. Whiplash makes you ask yourself, and it is extreme pressure necessary for greatness. Where is the line between teaching and abuse? It success worth losing your relationship, health, and peace. The movie never gives easy answer, and that what makes it powerful. What I did not like in this movie, one thing some viewers might find uncomfortable is features extremely abusive teaching methods. They can be disturbing and hard to watch, but from a storytelling point of view, these moments make the film intense and memorable. Also, the movie is very fast paced and emotionally heavy, so it is not a casual watch. The final 10 minutes are legendary. It is emotional, intense, shocking, inspiring, all at the same time. You feel the tension and the freedom, the rebellion, and the rise of true greatness. This finale is considered one of the best movie endings of the decade. So it is worth watching? Absolutely, yes. If you love intense dramas, poison driving stories, or movies about achieving greatness, Whiplash is a must watch. It is emotional, powerful, and unforgettable. Even if you don't care about music, the story will still hit you hard. That's my review of Whiplash 2014. Did you like the movie, or was there something you did not like? Write your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to read them. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.